Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to use acrylic color on canvas. Basically we are going to do one canvas painting of Ganesh Bhagwan ji. So always use color pencil, not normal pencil for the drawing, and use acrylic color, those come in tube form, and use flat brush. I am using here cobalt blue, light blue and white acrylic color, and for the dark tone I am using black color. You can merge with simply finger also, or you can use flat brush to merge it. Okay, and for his face I'm giving black color, plain black color. You have to give, always use thick color, no water in that. Okay, you can add little bit of water but very less quantity, and acrylic is a basically water based medium, so you can use water to wash your brush and all. So I'm using gray color just by mixing white and black. I'm giving in ear, hands and legs. Okay, and for body I'm using crimson red and vermilion hue. Okay, crimson red and vermilion hue, you have to merge it so you'll get the proper dark red color. So in body you have to give red color first, very plain color, no shading, nothing. Okay, and for the tikas also I'm using red color and one small dot of cobalt blue color. After this you can use outline. For outline use round brush. You can see this, I'm doing a very bold outline. Okay, dark and bright and very thick outline, because that will give the emphasis, that will emphasize the Ganesh Bhagwan ji. And for the background also you have to add little bit of black color somewhere. After this I'm using golden color. Golden colors come in acrylic colors, so you have to use that golden color for some parts of body. Okay, but before that, for the background cobalt blue, and all you have to do the black color coloring. Even for the rat you have to use black simple plain color. For the tika I have made the cobalt blue outline. Now this is the golden color I'm using for hands and some parts of lines, that will give the little bit of shine. Okay, and after this I'm using round brush to make some dots, and even you can use the toothbrush to make some dots. So until you have not subscribed the channel, I request all of you to please subscribe the channel. And if you want to do complete this painting, so you can simply pause the video, complete that part and again watch this. And if you want to learn more in detail all the medias, then please go on website and join harshartcreation.com, where you learn right from the basic oil pastel, color pencil, all the medias, but that all in Hindi language. And same video is available in Hindi language also, so go on channel and you can see the Hindi video also, same video, same painting in Hindi. Okay, so if you like it, please comment below, like the video and share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much everyone. Bye for now, see you in the next class.